IIFW is making a big leap actually. You have all fashion shows in India. 99% are only general fashion shows, bridal collections, summer, spring. Nobody talks about the intimate fashion wear. And this is, as I said earlier also, very close to everyone. I mean, we all go and buy lingerie, but we don't speak about it.
Intimate fashion has its own standing. There is nothing that can bring it together. But intimate needs to grow.
If talking about the India Intimate Fashion Week, this is an initiative. This is a great initiative that they have taken, and they have done a tremendous and an excellent work where they are able to make the people come out of their closet. Our brand always stands out by saying that we want men to be out of closet, but the India Intimate Fashion Week is making sure that the entire Indian, like when we talk
entire industry of the intimate wear, which have no platform altogether in India to showcase their spread whatever they have.
Intimate Week is doing a very good thing because this kind of concept was never there in India. With rising popularity of intimate wear and women being aware of what to wear, when not to wear.